got it. I've got the $1,000,000 question. The question that millions of homeowners are asking themselves. Should I pay my mortgage, or should I take advantage of the forbearance program that the government has mandated to be available and that the banks are making available? What should I do? This is Sean Rogers with the Smart Money Cafe, helping you and talking to you about making smart money decisions. Okay, if you've been furloughed, laid off, that's a funny one. Laid off, don't have a job, can't pay your mortgage, then you better call your lender and see what you can work out. Watch out for that balloon payment at the end. Make sure they're going to put that mortgage payment at the end of your loan, not at the end of 3 to 6 months, okay? Let's just say that. But if you can pay your mortgage, is it worth it? Is it worth it to skip these payments? Well, I had my opinions, but I asked other people in the industry, other real estate professionals, lenders, appraisers, loan officers, other real estate agents and brokers, and guess what? Most of them all had different answers. I've expected one answer, and most had different answers. Some say, yeah, I'm telling all my clients to take advantage of it. Others say, no, I wouldn't do it because whatever the reason. If you have it, pay it. One even said, I said, what about your credit? Will it affect your credit? And I Googled it. It said, no, it won't affect your credit. The lender said, no, it won't affect your credit. But they said, yes, they will put something on your credit. It'll probably say forbearance. And how that will affect your credit in the future, how that would affect your buying power, how that would affect your ability to refinance in the future, we don't know. What if the lender holds that against you in the future, says, hey, you struggled back in 2020 and you want to refi now, we want to charge you a higher interest rate. Or you want to buy that second investment property, we want to charge you a higher interest rate because you struggled a year ago. We just don't know, right? So you have to make a smart money decision and decide, is it worth playing the game and jumping in line and skipping those payments for 3 to 6 months, or say, hey, I'm not playing the game and I'm just gonna pay as usual, pay down this mortgage and keep going. You have to make that smart money decision. But like I said, this is Sean with the Smart Money Cafe. One lender said, no, don't do it. The other lender said, yep, I'm telling all my clients to do it. The real estate appraiser says it should be okay. Other real estate professionals said, no way, Jose. Wow. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? This is Sean Rogers with the Smart Money Cafe. You gotta make some smart money decisions. The last thing I'll tell you though is they're gonna give you 3 options. One option, they don't call it a balloon payment, but it's a balloon payment that at the end of that 3 to 6 months, you owe all those months plus your normal payment. Some give the other option too and say, listen, those 6 months that you owe, we're going to distribute it through the next 6 months and add that onto your monthly payments, which will probably make your monthly payments extremely high. The third option, we're going to put all that 6 months you owe, tack it onto the end of your loan, so you just have to pay on your loan an extra 6 months. I would say the last option is the best option if you think you have to go that route. All right, you guys, I'm going to say this affirmation for you. I see you guys being prosperous. I see you guys being blessed. I see you guys attracting money and multiplying that money. Keep doing what you're doing in a positive way and your money will grow. Okay? Sean with the Smart Money Cafe. See you next time.